Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is going to be an update from last video. So we've now passed 2 years of the channel, past a year of a video a day, and I guess want to shout out to this is probably, well actually I know it's the best performing video in a week. And awesome feedback, awesome comments. Just I can't tell you guys thank you enough. And one of the feedbacks that has come from this is to kind of slow down a little bit now that we have a large selection of videos, to maybe slow down a touch so people who are subscribed can keep up and don't feel overwhelmed. So this is going to be an announcement of a new schedule. So not a video a day, but 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We'll see how that goes, because the past week, let me just show you, you guys are always very interested in this, not a whole lot of change. It actually kind of mellowed out and became more steady, but still a lot of watch time. This chart's not that great. Let's go to this one. So this one's more up to date. So here we are, analytics. So boom, you can see this. There we go. I don't know what I was wrong with the other one. This is the beta version. This one's faster. So a lot of views. The watch time has gone down, but I can tolerate that. So the new schedule is going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Not gonna change the number of topics per video, but maybe we'll start to get more in depth, so they might be a little longer. But love that feedback. That's from an individual who's been around a long time, giving awesome feedback. So like I said, this is your channel. I'm here for what you guys need. So I can't tell you guys thank you enough. It was this break was weird. How to describe how it felt. I didn't stay off the analytics as much as I hoped. But and next week's gonna be weird. I gotta go out of town for work, so again, gonna be weird. So we'll handle that as it comes along. But just as always, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the awesome feedback. I can't tell you. That's a huge part, because all the comments are wonderful, helpful, and very insightful and on point. So thanks for watching. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that watermark down below and the notification bell, because we got videos coming out and I don't want you to miss it. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.